If you're in search of halal longaniza in Tocino, you can find them at Nanay's Kitchen.
Ano? The best.
The best daw ate.
Oh, isa lang. Malay style yan. Binimix natin yung Malay tsaka Filipino style.
Ano yun ate?
For now is $10.
Okay.
Try nyo itong chicken tocino.
Yung tocino na yan.
Yan yung chicken tocino. Yung marinated yan sa 24 hours.
Magkano po yung isang ganyan?
Kung frozen is $10.
$10.
Matusok.
Lambot to.